I honestly don't know why it has taken me so long to do this, but here we are. I swear to God, I'm going to be looking. My camera has a side bit on. You know what I'm saying? So, probably going to be looking at that the whole fucking time. Hi everybody, it is your favourite TikToker, and I'm joking, well, I hope I am, Lydia Killian, and welcome to my YouTube. This is the first like full-on YouTube that I've done. I mean, I'm only like a couple of seconds in. I thought I was going to have like loads more by this point, because obviously most of you will know I've been in Ibiza for 4 months now, and I really thought, naively thought, that I would get over here, I'd be a content queen, I would be on this camera every single day, I would be posting vlogs, lifestyle shit, everything. But no, I haven't. I think I tried to record a couple, and then I realised that the camera and the Wi-Fi function on my phone like wasn't working like it should be, and then I didn't have a memory card thing, and they were really I just put it off, and then I procrastinated, and then I gave myself a load of reasons as to why I'll wait till I get home, and I thought no, I'm gonna do it now. So hello, welcome to my first video. I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to turn it off. I'm turning it straight back on. I am not camera shy. I'm very aware that my roommates are in bed, and I'm trying to keep it down a little bit. So for those of you who watch my TikToks, you know that I am quite shouty, not shouty, but I'm loud and I'm jokey, and I feel like I can't do that because they're in bed. So we're gonna work with what we've got. But today's video is going to be on self-concept, because it is the key thing that I teach. It is the biggest thing that I teach my one-on-one clients, my email clients, my followers, anybody who buys the workshops from me. Everything I do is based around self-concept, because your self-concept is your blueprint to your life. Your self-concept is literally how you are designing your life. Now, your self-concept is the ideas, thoughts, feelings and beliefs that you hold to be true about yourself. Now, they might not be true or factual to everybody else or in the 3D world, but you are holding them to be true. For example, you might not feel worthy, you might not feel like you deserve good things, you might feel unchosen, you might feel like you're shit at making money. None of those things are like very true. You just believe them to be true, and you hold them to be true, and that is what outpictures in your life. That is why self-concept is so important, because whatever you create as your self-concept, or you take on as your self-concept, that is what is going to be outpictured in your life. It's really, really important that we become aware of our self-concept, and then we change it accordingly to what we want. So a lot of you are going to have a self-concept that is based around like how you've been brought up, what other people have told you, maybe from ex-boyfriends or girlfriends when they've cheated on you, or they've done something shitty, or maybe you've had a business or something in the past and it didn't go right, and you took something from that and made it mean something about you. It could be a numerous list of things, but what I'm here to tell you today is none of that matters. Nothing that you're telling yourself up to this point matters anymore. From this point on, you can decide to have a new self-concept. Yes, it might take a little bit of time, and nobody said it's going to be easy to change this. What I will promise you is that it's worth it. When you change your self-concept, you change your life. And the reason why it's so important in manifestation is because it allows you to manifest on autopilot, rather than the usual law of attraction way of, okay, I'm going to visualize this car, and I'm going to put all my mind, all my energy into visualizing it and feeling it real, and then I'm going to pray every day that it turns up, and I'm going to do that every day until it turns up, as opposed to creating a belief that I make X amount of money every single month, everything I want I get, no problem, I don't chase, I attract. Things like the car and the house and the material things, they will come on autopilot as a part of that belief system. Whereas if you try and manifest these things into your world without matching up your self-concept, a lot of the time you'll manifest this car in, or the house, or the boyfriend, or whatever it seems to be, and you will lose it because you haven't matched up your self-concept to a person who has those things. You haven't shaped your identity into the person that has those things, okay? What this work is, it's really identity work. What is the identity you are holding to be true about you? And the biggest way I can give you right now, and I'm going to give it you totally free of charge, is to, I don't know why I'm being so cheesy, I'm nervous. The biggest thing I can give you right now to change your self-concept is to become aware of it. Just take a little look at it and write down things like what do I believe to be true about myself right now. You can even do it in departments. So I call this like a belief stock check. It's something I've been teaching. How far am I into it? I'm 7 years into coaching, okay? I'm 6 years ago I started calling it a belief stock check. So you can have really good beliefs about yourself. You could also simultaneously believe that men treat you like shit, nothing ever works out for you, money doesn't work out for you, whatever it is. You can have like, what's the word I'm looking for? Contradicting beliefs, okay? Like things that don't like go together. So I would write down an area for love, money, success, body, friendships, and I would write down what do I believe to be true in each section of my life about me. Do I believe I have my dream body? Do I believe I'm close to having my dream body? Do I believe I deserve it? Do I believe I work towards that? Do I believe I'm worthy of success? Do I believe that success comes naturally to me? Do I believe I have to work really hard for it? Literally just pick apart each area. Yeah, right, it sounds tedious. Yes, it sounds long. But when you do this, your fucking life will change forever. So just sit down and work out each area and ask yourself, what do I believe to be true? Another way you can do this is asking yourself, what are my insecurities when it comes to each area? That will highlight especially what you need to work on, okay? Once you've done that, it is then your job to look at these negative beliefs and assumptions and say, okay, I need to flip these, write down the opposite of what you want. No, write down the write down the opposite of whatever comes up and make sure it's in alignment with what you want. So if you have a belief of, I am never chosen, men don't choose me, women don't choose me, then I want you to rewrite that as, I am choosing to be chosen from this point onwards. I am going to do things daily that put me in the space of feeling chosen, okay? Things like that. So I don't earn money very well is going to go, that was a shit sentence. So I'm not very good at manifesting money, continuing to, I'm a money magnet. Money just literally magnetizes itself to me. Money loves me. Money is manifesting me. I love money, okay? And then you're going to find a way to program that. This could be sleep affirmations. This could be just simply recording your affirmations and listening to them throughout the day. This could be writing them down. This could be just speaking them into existence and using the self-talk method, either out loud or inwardly. It could be reading them every day. I don't care what it is, just get them in. Just get them in, okay? And then I feel like I say okay a lot. This is going to be a work in progress. If you have watched me before, this little thing I'm doing right now is not going to be anything new to you. If you are new to me, then I'm very, very sorry because my mind is just here, there and everywhere. Anyway, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to script out this new version of yourself every day. Write the date for 6 months in the future and write out, do you know what? It's now, what date we're in now? 1st of September, no, surely not 1st of January, no, 1st of February, I think. You can even do it for the 1st of January, that's a great time to do it for. So let's do it from the 1st of January. It is now January 1st, 2024. I'm feeling like the baddest I've ever felt. I am so far on my own pedestal, I could kiss myself. I love how my life is working out. I love that I decided to change my self-concept. I love that it's all working out for me. I feel so lucky. I manifest easily, my business is going well. Love is so like magnetic to me. Like I just get love on autopilot because I am love. I have everything working out for me every day. My body looks amazing. I feel so sexy. Literally whatever you want to happen on January 1st, you write that down. You write it into existence. And when you are writing it and when you are reading it back, feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Ask yourself, what would it feel like if this actually came true? What would it feel like if this was my reality? And then after you've done these things, every single day, I want you to ask yourself, what action can I take as my highest self? If I was already that version of me, that had a 6-figure business, that had the love of their life, that had the dream body, that had the car, whatever it might be to you, that it doesn't have to be, it could be if I was a mother, if I had the family I wanted. It doesn't have to be material or success things. It can be, it can be nothing to do with your body. Whatever happiness looks like for you and whatever your goals are, that's fine. But ask yourself, what would that version of me be doing today? And how can I incorporate some of that into the present day? So for example, my goal at the moment is all to do with my business and content creation and growing my TikTok and my YouTube and hitting as many followers as I can to change as many lives as I can. What would she be doing? She'd be doing her YouTubes. She'd be recording content, whether them fuckers are in bed or not. She'd just be getting it done. So guess what? I'm getting it done. Do you know what I mean? So you just have to put yourself in that future place. Whatever she'd be doing or he'd be doing, start pulling that back and start doing it now, and you will make that a part of your identity through the actions as well. So you're changing your energy, you're changing your mindset, and you're changing your actions, and you will become that version of you that you wish to be. We don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. We attract what we are being. And when we can live in that state of that version and act in accordance and get our heart and energy into alignment of it, it is going to come at you so fast you'll blink and you might miss it. Okay? So that's going to be my video for today. The next one will probably be a lot more confidence on my part, a lot less whispering, probably just as much weirdness, but that's why you follow me. I hope you all have the most wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I can never fucking turn them off.